Safe Mode is a pretty powerful built-in troubleshooting feature on Android. What it does is temporarily disable all third-party apps you've downloaded, running only the essential system software. So if your phone is crashing, running extremely hot, or lagging, and those issues suddenly stop when you're in Safe Mode, then you'll know with 100% certainty that a downloaded app is causing the problem. To turn on Safe Mode, you'll want to bring up the Power Off menu first. You could swipe down from the top right corner to bring up your quick settings, and on some phones, you'd swipe down twice to reveal the full panel, and then tap that little power icon. You'll see it either on the top or towards the bottom, depending on your phone. Or you could use the buttons on the side. Most phones will bring up the power menu by pressing down the power button together with either the volume down or volume up button, depending on what type of Android phone you have. Once you see the power off options, you can use either the power off or restart button. And what we're going to do is press and hold that button for about 2 seconds. So not a single tap, but press and hold. You'll see a little Safe Mode notification appear, and we'll tap again to restart the phone into Safe Mode. Then your phone's going to restart, and you'll see the words Safe Mode permanently watermarked in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now my phone is in Safe Mode. You'll see how a lot of the apps are disabled, and only some of the basic apps are still available. So, to actually troubleshoot in Safe Mode, just spend a couple of minutes navigating your phone. See how everything works. If it's no longer crashing, lagging, or overheating, then you'll know that a third-party app is definitely causing the issues. While you're still in Safe Mode, you can go to your settings and then scroll down to Apps. If you know what app is potentially causing those issues, you could go here, find the app, usually one of the most recent ones you've downloaded before the issue started, and a lot of times the problematic ones are third-party launchers, antivirus apps, widgets, or third-party keyboards. Those are notorious for crashing background processes. So, find the app on the list and just uninstall it. To get out of Safe Mode, you simply restart your phone normally. So I could do it through quick settings, or I could hold down power and volume down and restart. And now my phone is going to restart in normal mode. If your phone is off or frozen and you need to put it in Safe Mode, what you do is hold down the power button until the manufacturer logo appears, like this. And the moment the logo appears, release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button. And keep holding it until the phone finishes booting up. You'll see Safe Mode in that bottom corner. Anyways, that is Safe Mode on Android. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.